you do, forget me if you can. You're better off without him. Have you ever been restless in your bed and so